Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months. Uprale Krita Yoga 1,728,000 years, Tatreyu Yoga 1,296,000 years, Dwapara Yoga 864,000 years, Kali Yoga 4,320,000 years into 4,320,000 years, Maha Yoga or Divine Yoga. 71 divine yogas are divided into 1 mana Vinalika and 14 manas are ruled by 1 Manu. Chatur Yoga Sahasrani Ovidam Pitamaha Sahasrani Vishnughatikkamevika Vishnudvadshalakshantam Nimishardham Sadashiva. The Great Pralay is the rule of Sadashiva for 100 years. Mahishasura once Ramba, the son of Danu, saw Mahishi and seduced her. Mahishi entered Agni's fire to play with her. Agni's fire was poured out of his semen and Mahisha was born. He had meditated for 10,000 years on Mount Meru, thinking that women would not be able to kill him, and had taken a boon from any man, a demon, so that he would not die. Therefore, Brahma was not able to relieve the suffering of the gods. Finally, if she became a woman made of energy, she could kill him. Therefore, pray to your energy. All the energies will become a woman named Mahalakshmi. She decided that she would kill him. Thought Mahishakona, Asura, night dweller, one who moves in ignorance, with a mind like a cone, and acts in ignorance, is Mahishasura, just as the seed is a tree, and the goddess is the world through her pastimes alone. Therefore, not knowing that all things and all affairs are the goddesses, he, being possessed of ignorance, thinks, I am the creator and the enjoyer of the body and wealth, I am the creator and the enjoyer of it, and is possessed of the eightfold path. Evil one who abandons the path of self-realization and follows the path of materialism. Corrupt one who abandons the path of his varna, Shraddha, and acts in forbidden karma. The gods are Agni, Pani, Pada Upanya, Vayu, respectively. The presiding deities are Agni, Indra, Upendra, Brahma. The presiding deities are Shota, Tvacha, Chaksha, Zippa Prana. The presiding deities are Dikshala, Vayu, Surya, Varuna, Ashwani Kumaras. The presiding deities are Mana, Buddhi, Chitra, Ahamkara. The presiding deities are Chandra, Brahaspati, Vasudeva, Rudra. When these 14 sense organs act only in good deeds, the gods are called, in knowledge, Charu. The wealth of the goddess is called Asura wealth and the demons are called Rakshasas. Mahisha was initially very devoted to the goddess. Later, due to the intoxication of wealth, he forgot the fragrance of the goddess. Chikshura, lust, Rudigra, anger, Rasiloma, greed, avarice, desire, he sat as god to all those who, by the ministers of this demonic wealth, had subdued the deities of the senses, who were far from good deeds, i.e., had made them evildoers. Mahalakshmi, the glorious community of the deities, mixed with anger, Nari Chichikti, the attendants of the sattvic qualities of non-violence, truth, non-violence, celibacy. The Shruti, Smriti, and Puranas are the hymns that proclaim that the self is the truth in the world. The Shruti, Smriti, and Puranas are the hymns that proclaim that the self is the self-Shivaham, the self-love of the bow, the one-two, the Brahma all Khalvidam, the Shrutis that say that Brahma is the one who the destruction of the mind is the forked stick, the thorn is the arrow, these are the weapons, the Omkara is the sound of the bell, the other 10 kinds of instruments are the trumpet, the Aruti is the fruit of the unbroken bliss, the light of knowledge is the flower, the bliss is the umbrella, the abode is the school of the Chama, the knowledge in the subtle causes, the children of Vishnu, Brahma, Rudra. Sinha, as the Durgasaptacity says, Sinha Samaharam Dharma Vishwaram, the lion is the highest religion, thus both meanings are given, with the enlightenment of the soul, a man is considered to be the highest. The lion is the knowledge of the form, and Shiva is the realization of the form itself, the profession is considered to be religion. Since the goddess has made this profession the vehicle, the goddess is the lion vehicle, the one who is killing with form and devouring with certainty in the form of ardent desire. Asura wealth Raja and their qualities such as infatuation, greed, attachment, jealousy, ruthlessness, lust, anger, lust, impatience, ignorance, laziness, and slowness are the same. Weapons Sankalpa Vikalpa mind as the bow, words are the arrow, matters are the arrow, the three-pronged weapon, trident, ignorance is the sword. Desire is the snare, ignorance is the elephant, the mind that wanders after things is the horse. The body is the chariot. The divine nature is the deceitful army, the celestial battlefield is the battlefield. The main purpose of war, the action of developing the feeling that everything is the form of the goddess, is special. Divine war is when a person tries to have the darshan of the goddess. The war between the gods and demons begins in his heart. Asuras, they turn the senses to the brink of material enjoyment. The goddess of knowledge turns away from material enjoyment and turns towards the Supreme Being. This tendency is a war between them in retirement. Those whose profession they take over are the ones who win. During this war, the goddess loses the burden of the demon, life, and transforms her beloved son into a soul. Form war, conquering the binding demonic wealth and obtaining divine wealth to attain true happiness. Slaying demons does beating children and disciples not only make them suffer but also guide them to the right path. Is it washing the consciousness? Is it not to make the bed flow but to remove the feces inside them? Is it not to boil the iron juice and milk more to make it curdle but to increase its sweetness? Is it to carve a gem? How can we increase its brilliance without destroying it? That is how demons are killed. It is to destroy the evil qualities in them and increase the good qualities. It is not to destroy the lustful completely, but to reduce the evil tendency and subdue it and turn it towards goodness and make it profitable. Second story, this is the Upasana Kanda. The fruit of lustful passion is unstable and unstable, so it is refreshing. Through lustless passion, the mind is purified and the Supreme Lord is seen. Because lustful passions are like enemies to the purification of the mind cannot be purified unless the ego is conquered and mastered. The victory of the knowledge of the mind is the main means for the purification of the image. That knowledge is the subject of the story.